Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to take a short look at the today and the now function. Now the today function is a function that returns the current date, and this will be updated automatically every time you open your worksheet. Today is a really simple formula that doesn't actually need any arguments in it. So what you do is you type equals today, open your brackets, and simply hit enter, and it will return today's date. Now, each time you open your spreadsheet, this will update with the current date, and you can change your date format using your number formatting options on the Home tab. So if we click in here, you'll see it's automatically selected date, and you can change the format to any of the preset ones, or you can use a custom number format. If instead you need the current date and the time, instead of using the today function, you would use a now function. And this works in the same way as today. We type equals now, open our brackets, and then just hit enter. Now you'll see in this instance, it's just formatted it as a date. But if we go into our custom number formats, select custom, and then scroll down to an option where we have, say this one here, where we got the day, month, year, hours and minutes, and click OK, it will update to the current time as well as the date. And you can have a play around with your custom number formats to format this as you see fit. Now you will note if you were to format your today function in this way, it doesn't actually update it to the current time. It will simply put your time as midnight. So if we go to the same option we used in the last one, day, month, year, hours and minutes, click OK, you'll see it's just 0000. So if we put that back to our date format and say we want it as date, month written out, and then the year. So this is how you can insert the current date and time into your spreadsheet. In one of our next videos, we'll look at some of the uses of this, such as combining it with and if functions, so you can check and highlight whether something is overdue. As a very quick example, rather than using this overdue column, say I just want to highlight where something is past its due date. We can use our conditional formatting. We want to highlight our cells that are less than today's date, and they'll be highlighted in red with dark red text. And you'll see everything that's less than the 13th of September has highlighted in red, while everything that's past it hasn't been highlighted. You actually don't have to have your date within the spreadsheet. You can use a formula within your conditional formatting. We'll touch a little bit more on using formulas and conditional formatting in a later video. I hope that you found this video useful. Please do like and subscribe, leave me a comment, and I do look forward to seeing you on the next video.